Out of 1.4 billion people in India, do you know how many people own more than two houses? Only 6,537 people. Do you know why? Because of the concept of assumed rent in income tax. So there is a tax in India, income from house property. People rent out their house और उस rent से उनको जितनी भी income होती है उस पर उनको income tax भरना होता है. The point is income tax in India and any income tax authority globally has a concept of deemed rent. So basically deemed rent is a concept if a person in their own name owns multiple residential properties, then the first two properties will not attract any tax, but any properties after the two properties will attract rent, चाहे वो घर खाली ही क्यों ना पड़ा हो, meaning which will be assumed as rented even if it is not rented. And one cannot declare any amount of rent, one has to take fair value rent of that area and then pay taxes on that amount. There are only two ways to escape assumed rent, deemed rent concept. One is if the house is inhabitable, means it does not have basic electricity and water. And the second is if the house is owned as stock in trade, meaning if the person has business of real estate.